baby, I'm not helpless. There's something about the night and the way it hides all the things I like. Well, little black butterflies are deep inside me. What would my mama do? Oh, if she knew about me and you. And what would my dad say? If he saw me hide this way. Why should I be afraid? Feeling guilty at the mention of your name. Well, here we are again. It's nearly perfect, yeah. What would my mama do? If she knew about me and you. And what would my daddy say? If he saw me hide this way. All the things a girl should know, all the things she can't control, all the things a girl should know she can't